Well, just looking at some mist and drizzle continuing tonight, anticipating some heavier rain and gusty wind by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. That's why we have more or less kind of the heads-up weather alert as far as any travel tomorrow evening and some of this heavier rain. Take a look out. Well, first of all, on the satellite picture, we are still tracking Melissa, looking at Category 1 hurricane that's still passing through the Bahamas. Infrared satellite photo. If anything, perhaps trying to get a little better organized, though the storm is significantly weakened since the landfall yesterday in Jamaica. Winds are at 90. It's moving northeast at 16. So we take a look at the track that it's taken so far since Jamaica, eastern Cuba, and now passing through the Bahamas, eventually moving north and east. So let's take this into the future. We'll move ahead to tomorrow morning at about 10 a.m. And clearly you see two systems on the map. One is Melissa offshore. The second is our next weather maker approaching the mid-Atlantic and eventually moving it to southern New England with some downpours and some gusty wind. Now, Melissa, the storm itself actually stays offshore. It's not making landfall along the east coast. However, some of its tropical moisture may get infused within this cold front approaching tomorrow evening, sort of acting as fuel to help enhance our rainfall to perhaps become a little heavier tomorrow evening, tomorrow night with some downpours, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, some localized, albeit minor, street flooding and some gusty wind. That'll continue late into Thursday evening, Thursday night. And then everything lifting north and east. Melissa races up into the North Atlantic. This system moves up into Canada. So on the backside of it for Halloween Friday, we're dry, but very windy, but otherwise a drier day coming up on Friday. And that includes the kids heading out Friday evening for trick-or-treating. Very windy, but otherwise a dry night. As we get in close, and we'll head into Providence where we have low clouds. It's a damp evening in the sense that a little bit of mist and some sprinkles every now and then, but clearly we don't have any steady rain yet. 48 degrees, upper 40s now in many areas, including Providence and New Bedford, Taunton now coming in at 49. It'll stay in the 40s. We'll keep the drizzle going for tonight. During the daytime, a few showers. Can't rule that out tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, but it really ramps up tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. It's out of here on Friday, though windy but drier. Still some gusty wind on Saturday. Otherwise, the weekend is looking good with some sunshine. You see the drizzle coming in off the ocean right now. Our next weather maker for tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, there it is, tracking north and east and arriving here during the evening commute with some downpours and some gusty wind. We'll switch over into the future and watch the time bar. We'll take you into tomorrow morning. Breezy, temperature starting off in the 50s. Now, again, during the morning, wouldn't rule out a few showers. I just don't see the real widespread rain getting in here at that time. Even 2 o'clock in the afternoon, a few showers, but then the more generous area of rain. Notice how it becomes more consolidated here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. Gusty wind and some downpours. And I say gusty wind, maybe gusting up to 40 miles per hour tomorrow night. And then everything is gone. It's drying out on Friday, but it remains windy. So for tomorrow morning, it's manageable. It's not that bad other than some passing showers. And that includes up until the early afternoon hours. But then the rain really ramps up late in the day towards early evening. Potential is there for 1 to 2 inches of rain tomorrow night. Your Halloween Friday, very windy, but at least it's dry. Still kind of gusty on Saturday, but at least it's dry and sunny. Less wind, great weather for the Patriots game. A nice weekend, sunshine, temperature on Sunday mid-50s. Those clocks go back 1 hour before bed on Saturday night. Daytime tomorrow, not too bad, but once we get towards sunset and beyond, that rain really ramps up.
And that's tough when you have all the leaves on the ground, too. Makes things slippery, covers up all the water basins.
That's a good point. If you have a storm drain in front of your house, clear the leaves out to avoid the flooding.
All right, Tony, thank you. Coming up next in sports.